And I have a dilemma. I don't even know what it actually was. Also, sewing this is so hard. Okay, so I've constructed the entire jacket. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Sewmas, where I am doing 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects. For today's video, I made a puffer jacket because I thought it would be a great gift. It was really popular like a year ago on TikTok. Everyone was making them, and I used a thrifted comforter that I had. I pretty much got it, you know, the lost and found at the laundry room when you're in college. Yeah, I got it from there. So yeah, we don't need to harp on that, but I wanted to make a puffer, so I figured that I would do it for Sewmas because I thought it would be a great gift. This project was hard and it just didn't work out, so I'm gonna show y'all that, but yeah, this is more so just a sewing fail and will just be like a funny video. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my social medias for other Sewmas content, and let's get right into it. It is editing me here. I didn't actually start this video, and I don't know if I say it later on, so you can tell I haven't edited that much yet, but I am making a puffer jacket and it will be interesting, as you will see soon. And I used a thrifted comforter-like thing. I got it from school. I found it abandoned in a laundry room.
You done goofed.
And I was saving it for this, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I made the pattern. I'm about to cut up the pattern pieces. Blaze is literally sitting on the pattern. And I have a dilemma. And I have this dilemma often. Do not know if I'm gonna have enough fabric. I think what I might have to do, I don't really want to do this, but I might have to, is for the sleeve, to split the sleeve pattern in half to get it to be enough. So I'm gonna get ready and cut it out, and I will keep y'all updated. Okay, I cut out the pattern pieces, and I had to split one sleeve in half. So I'll probably cut the other sleeve in half so the seams match. So I'm going to get ready to sew it together, and this will be interesting because since this is I don't even know what it actually was. It has foam, so it'll be interesting to see how this goes. So yeah. Okay, I made the sleeves too small.
Are you kidding me?
A little bit, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. So I'm just gonna get ready and sew the like main piece together. That's Blaze coming into my room, not my door just opening. Also, sewing this is so hard. It's just very thick, and I'm using a digitalized brother, and I feel like if I was using my metal machine at my apartment, but I don't know, I just feel like they're a little bit sturdier, so it's just kind of hard. And it's just hard in a few different ways. So pretty much I'm just like sandwiching it together, using a zigzag stitch, and then pulling it through to make sure that the needle is still moving. I don't know if I said what I was gonna do to fix the sleeves. So I seam ripped part of the sleeve, and then I cut another piece. So I'm just going to attach it. And then I also don't know if I mentioned, I kept the end of the comforter so it can be like a hem for most of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna attach this right sides together to both sides and then attach the sleeves to the vest. Okay, full transparency, I am very over making this puffer jacket. The sewing machine I have at home is not really equipped to sew something this thick, and it's just very thick. If you were to do this, I would recommend stuffing it yourself. But I'm going to finish, so I have to go downtown or something. So I've been doing a lot of hand stitching, so I hand stitched one of the armholes on, so I'm gonna reinforce that. I'm gonna cut a collar with this part at the top, and then my mom is currently cutting out some fabric to be a binding so I can finish the front piece with that, and then afterwards I will dye it. So yeah. Okay, last thing I have to do before I can dye it is just attach the binding. So I have this and it opens, so I'm just gonna sandwich it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and I'm just gonna sandwich it between and sew it all the way down. Okay, so I've constructed the entire jacket. It was a pain in my behind. It doesn't look awful. There's a lot of hand stitching, and you can see in some places that like that's coming through. It is sturdy because I went over it twice, so now I'm gonna dye it. The only container big enough to dye it in is my bathtub.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it.
So we're gonna see how that goes. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ready and do that. Okay, I found a tub big enough, so I have this. I already dunked it. The water is very hot. Like, I don't think my hands are still that red from it. But I dunked it because you're supposed to wash it. Obviously, I'm not doing that, please. Please, no. So I'm gonna put the dye in, mix it, and dump it in, and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Okay, here it is with me just putting it in.
Oh, we're doing this.
And I will update y'all in 30 and or 60 moments, or minutes. Okay, the jacket did not turn out. None of the dye held. I am sad from the finale of The Bachelorette. This is what I look like. I look like the little Michelin man.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
So, that's all. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you do want to make your own puffer, I would definitely suggest stuffing it yourself instead of just using a very thick material, and also making sure if you want to dye something that it's actually a fabric or a material that will hold the dye. I learned a lot. I think it was funny in the end, so I don't really care that much about it, but yeah, I hope y'all like it. And don't forget to come back because tomorrow is the last day of Sewmas. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.